the experience with the golden berries has totally blown me away. Like, I couldn't have imagined, right? It's been a really cool thing. Not only do I like them a lot, but it's been a way for me to connect with other people, because it's sort of an odd thing. Like, people, unless you've had them from Trader Joe's, you don't know what they are, and they're pretty neat. And so I've been able to share them with actually quite a lot of people in my small surrounding area. And that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So you can see, like, you know, there's still a lot of them, and they're starting to drop, and I'm being kind of lazy, so I'm just letting them do that. But you can see that's a nice golden berry. That's good stuff. So I just drop them, and there's a ton of them that are gonna rot in here. I've mentioned before, like, the perfect little seed packages. I don't really have one to show you right now, but so we'll see what happens. Yeah, just tons of these things. Super happy about that. So the thing I like to do is, like, when I come out in the garden, just as I'm here on my knees or squatting down, I eat a bunch of golden berries. You know, these things, these little cherry tomatoes, they didn't do very well, but there's still enough every time that I come out here that I can eat some. And then now with the Mizuna coming up, I already told you I don't like kale, so I tried that. I'm not going to do that, but I'll eat some raw Mizuna, I'll eat some golden berries, I'll eat a few little cherry tomatoes. Once in a while I'll eat a tomatillo. That's all good stuff. Oh, a thing I wanted to say about the tomatillos is, you know, like the ones that you buy at the store that we make salsa with or whatever, they're green, right? And I get a lot of green ones, and these are maybe overripe. And I've read that a lot of people, they think that the taste becomes more bland. But not only do these look super cool, I'm not sure that I enjoy, eating raw green tomatillos. And these may or may not be more bland. But these are really good. It's good. I wouldn't have thought that. Yeah, so there's not like a super whole lot going on. These Thai basils that I there's one over there. They're starting to do a lot better because I guess the weather is just right for them now. I did actually plant some cucamelon in here like a while ago. It didn't come up. The seeds actually came from Korea, so I'm not sure if they'll come up. More tomatillos, sunflowers. This one sunflower, I hope that maybe I could get some actual seeds off of it, some sunflower seeds. It's a different kind, obviously, than these other ones. These squash or whatever they actually are, that I got from the same guy over there. I just didn't water enough. So you can see, like, it basically all died. It's making a comeback, but I'm not sure how it will do. I ate quite a few of them, so that's cool. And then the last thing, which I'm still really happy about, is this okra. Who would have thought? So it's actually 3, and I believe that's a little fruit right there. So probably would have done a lot better if it had been in more sun, but whatever. This is kind of in honor of my great aunt, Sister Mary Otho. She passed away pretty recently. Anyway, that's all I got. I appreciate you checking out my follies. It's a really neat place. I'm really grateful. I'm really lucky to have it. It's $25 a year, and I get to use all the water I want. And in the case of all of these volunteers, it's like sometimes I don't really even have to do a whole lot, and that's pretty epic. And the community for me has grown, and that's been a really great experience, and I'm very grateful. Great and grateful. Awesome. See ya.